To fully appreciate a car, you first need to know what inspired it. The all-new Škoda KODIAQ inherits the dynamic design lines from the Vision S. The front, with its full LED headlights, has a striking face, emphasized by its eyes. Both the front and the rear C-shaped lights are influenced by Bohemian crystal. We call this the shoulder line, for good reason. And this we call the power dome, proudly framing our logo, the winged arrow. The muscular frame, robust chassis and square wheel arches show this SUV is ready for anything the city or nature can throw at it. And giving drivers and passengers extra space is the hallmark of every Škoda. There are many inspirations for our SUV, some more obvious than others. The all-new Škoda KODIAQ.
Škoda. Simply clever.